What's up, Storm Nation? Let's check out the all-new PhysiX Blackout. I'm super excited to see an addition to the already amazing PhysiX line. I know we are going to love this piece. Starting off with a pineapple scent is a great start. Let's see what we're looking at here. NEX Pearl cover, Atomic AI core. So we're looking at a strong cover with a strong core and a super low RG of 2.47, meaning we should see a ton of hooking power out of this ball. I'm expecting to see this ball rev up early and flare a ton down lane, making it great for opening up angles. As always, we're going to throw it on two different patterns to see some different shapes. On lane 1, we have out a 37-foot pattern. This ball feels a little sharp down lane if I'm trying to stay right and straighter. I'm instantly going to start moving in and increasing my angle, and the main thing I'm seeing as I'm doing this is the ball just keeps hooking at the spot down lane so consistently and powerful. I don't at all feel like I need to help this ball hook off the spot. It has plenty of power to do so on its own, and I can just trust it out there. I feel like this ball on this pattern is giving me more right than left. What I mean by that is you see the ones where I keep it more up the lane, it's pushing going high because it flares so much, creating such a quick motion down lane, where if I miss out a little wide to the right, the ball is recovering and coming back with plenty of power to still hit the pocket and mix the pins around. As I move in and play steeper launch angles, this ball starts looking better and better. In fact, once I get in around 15, this becomes a super fun and comfortable line to play where I feel like I can just cut it loose. That's definitely a positive to see in a new ball. I feel like this could be one of those pieces that gives you some big scores. I also feel like for me personally, it allows me to play an angle that I often struggle with. There are many times out on tour where we have to play a specific line because that's what the pattern is demanding, and I can play this line, but if the scoring pace is high, I often struggle stringing strikes together while doing this. It's often difficult for me having lower rotation and rev rate to create the entry angle into the pocket like I need to. I believe a strong piece like this is the solution and is going to allow me to string them together. Over on lane 2, we have a 43-foot pattern, so we're going to see how this piece looks with some straighter angles on longer, heavier volume. Now, even though this ball was much better with steeper angles over on the shorter pattern, I'm seeing this ball do just fine being straighter up the lane with a heavier volume and more length. As you can see, this ball allows me to play some shape and have a great reaction to the pocket down lane. The thing I'm loving seeing from this ball as I creep in is that it just keeps hooking down lane. I'm not seeing it go early and get slower burn up. It just keeps continuous shape down lane as I move in and change my angles through the front. That to me says this is going to be a very versatile piece, which is super important, especially when we are traveling and bowling on all different patterns and scenarios. If you're looking for a strong piece that will allow you to hook the lane no matter what pattern you're bowling on, then this is the ball for you. Be sure to check it out at a local pro shop on December 13th.